We took a break for the holidays, but now we're back and ready to start the new year right. And to kick off the new year, we got some new merch. This is our Mob Bomber dirt bag. Essentially, the top portion of the bag is for your clean clothes, and on the bottom we do have a zipper so you can put your dirty clothes. It's separated by this thing we call a floating floor, but that's all for a separate video. You're here for truck updates. Believe me, we have a lot to tell you. King of Hammers is on January 28th, which leaves us about 22 days, but we want to make sure we have it ready ahead of time. We don't want to bring it to King of Hammers just not even tested. To add more of a buffer to that, we won't be showing up till February 2nd, so it does give us a little more time to test the truck and have everything ready. Now that we're on the same time frame and schedule, let's show you what we've done with the truck.
There are no rules. If it holds it where you need it, it works.
So let's start with the back of the truck. We had to cut a lot of tubes to make room for the engine, but because the engine's so tall, we also have to move the gas tank that's above it somewhere else. Also, we had to cut more tubes to make room for the transmission. Now the axles we're using are the XP Pro Hulls Long Travel. Now for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, because I didn't know what I was talking about, it just means 4 more inches to what we originally had. But 4 inches longer means we need 4 more inches for the trail arms. Now the transmission wouldn't fit if we didn't cut the truck in half and extended it an extra 16 inches. Now we have so much room for activities! So we moved the seats forward to make sure we had more space for the engine, and then we also lowered them about 3 inches so that way we have more headroom inside the truck. Luckily for us, we already had a fiberglass dashboard that we can use, so we cut it in half just to make it fit inside the truck. We CNC'd some PVC plastic so we can fit in these rocker switches, also with our rugged radios. Hey everyone, Future Ryan here. I completely forgot to mention the shocks that we have. Really, it's up for debate because some people like Fox, some people like Kings, and we don't know. Currently they're Fox, but if King wants to sponsor something, you can go back to Studio Ryan now. I'm gonna try not to break stuff. So we mounted the new steering column to adjust to where our seat is now positioned, and we even fabricated some new gas and brake pedals. To seal all of this up, we have parts for our new door that we're gonna put into place. But we can't get this started until our new fiberglass shows up. Hint, hint, we're getting a new fiberglass body. But that's for another video. Let us know in the comments below so that way you're almost part of the build with us. Do you think we can make it? Did we bite off more than we can chew? Should I have fast food for lunch? Yes. That last one's a yes. I can answer that one. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Smash that like button 2022 style. Subscribe if you aren't already. Hit the bell icon. Stay up to date on all our projects and videos. And see you in the next video.